Hi there, welcome. Today we're going to talk about 3 ways to solve sound issues in your video editing software, even if the third one is going to work generally with some other softwares. Okay, let's go. First of all, I'm going to open my video editing software. And then I'm going to import a media. Here I'm going to import an audio media. Okay, here I'm going to import an audio file. Okay, explain. Okay, first solution. Let's go for the first way to solve that issue. You're gonna check this icon. Okay, you're gonna check if it is not crossed. Then you will arrange it and you will see that it's gonna play again. Okay, now let's go for the second way. First, you're gonna select your media. Okay, then you're going to click in properties. Then you're gonna check if this bar is not at 0%. Okay, if it is at 0, you're gonna arrange it. Okay, and bringing it at a best value, then it's gonna work again. Okay, now let's go for the third and last solution. You're going to check this icon for loudspeaker, and then you're going to continue over here. Okay, and now you're going to check if the icon for the loudspeaker is not crossed. Okay, if it is crossed, you're going to arrange it and you'll see that it's going to work again. As you can see here, you can do the same for some other softwares. Okay, that is. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.